Today we're going to do a hack on one of my favorite meals, pigs in a blanket. So we're still in pantry challenge. So I want to say that we did splurge and I went and bought hot dogs because I thought I had some in the freezer and I didn't. But I did have croissant rolls. So we're going to take these pre-made croissant rolls. Oh, I don't like this part. Ready, go. Ugh. And we are going to wrap these hot dogs in these croissant rolls. A couple little tricks that we've learned over the years is, I should lay two out for you. A slice of American cheese, folded on the diagonal, fits perfectly in a croissant roll. Thank you, Jacob, for teaching us how to do this. And we just roll them up like this and set them on the tray. Now, to kick it up a notch, we've got some tahini, some salt and pepper, some chia seeds, and some sesame seeds. So what we'll do is we'll take and dress the top of these rolls to give it a little added flavor. Now, on the inside of here, you could do, any condiments you really want. I mean, you could turn this into, put mayonnaise or mustard in there. You could put ketchup in there. You could dress it like a hot dog and turn it into like, instead of a pigs in a blanket, make it like a pigs in a blanket with chili on the inside. I mean, it is going to run out, so you'll see some cheese run out whenever we get finished. But I mean, you could really make this whatever. You could use, say, like smoked sausage or kielbasa and cut it down. But this is just the way that we like to do it. When you can't think of something to do, like we're still in pantry challenge, and tonight's leftover night again on Tuesday, and we don't have any leftovers. We're really getting control of what we're eating, and I'm like, okay, what are we gonna do? Because we don't have any leftovers, so we're making pigs in a blanket. And yes, I had to splurge and buy hot dogs, but I got rid of some cheese that we already had and these croissant rolls that I really needed to use a while back and just didn't, so. But I will add that to the $50, even though it's not milk or produce. We did have to cheat a little bit, but that's okay. It'll be all right. These last two rolled up. And what's great is it's 8 croissants, 8 hot dogs, 4 pieces of cheese, and you don't have any leftovers you have to put back somewhere to store. So then what I'll do is I'll come back and be like, okay, I just kicked you. All right, come back with let's do Cheetos on these, because that looks pretty. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. There we go. Those are some chia seeds. Let's do some sesame seeds. And then we'll just do plain old salt and pepper on these. And then on this one, if you guys haven't entered the world of tahini, you need to, because this stuff is awesome. You can rim a glass on an adult beverage with this stuff. You can pretty much put it in anything. It's pretty awesome. So that's it. Now we're going to bake them per the directions of the croissant rolls, because the hot dogs are actually already cooked. So we're going to preheat for 375 and we're going to bake for 9 to 12 minutes. So we'll bring you back whenever these come out of the oven. All right, y'all, we're back. What do you think? I think they look great. So this is going to be our leftover dinner. Oh, this is leftover from Super Bowl. I forgot about these. We had cheese left over, and then I made homemade corn tortilla chips. Let me go get them. And so we went and we had corn tortillas, and so I made homemade corn tortilla chips. And if you guys want to you guys want to see how I make the corn tortilla chips, like the video and comment below. Let me know if that's something you'd want to see. So anyway, this is my quick little hack on pigs in a blanket. So we're gonna, on leftover Tuesday, since we're kind of weird on the leftovers, we're gonna snack on this and have a good evening. So we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.